Right, today, tomorrow, tonight. Today, tomorrow, today, tonight. No, where are we going?
Woods.
Woods to do what?
To have our dinner.
To have our dinner. What are we having for dinner?
Pork chops.
Pork chops. Pork chops. Pork chops. Aya! Away.
Salad.
Wiggy back. What did you ask her, Noah?
How do you know when the how do you know when it's ready?
When the corn's ready. Right, here look. Turn around. You got it, look. Go like this. Scraping your hands, look. Go like that. And blow. Can you see? There you go. Oh yeah, look at my nails. Thank you, Kayla, my niece did them. Look, there you go, corn's ready. So this field should be done any time now. Look, the next couple of dry days, look, there's your corn. That's how we know when corn's done, look. We have reached our destination.
Oh,
Reach our destination, look.
where will the fire go?
On the floor.
Whereabouts?
Oh, it's going. Oh, get back. Get back. Right. Reek, fire going. Next, Tazi. Oh, yeah.
Reach out. This one coming in next hits differently. I want you to listen to everything I've got to say. Never feel alone.
Listen.
Reach out for the telephone, 116 or 123. Talk to someone, the number's free. No joke, too many struggle with the problems that they juggle. Life can get us all stressed out. No shame for being in doubt. Let's start off and get this straight. Sometimes we need a mate. Don't be stubborn, start a chat. Pour a coffee, chew the facts. My door is always open. Outspoken, never broken. No judgment, still a beans. I listen by all means. Get better, give it time. Feeling down is not a crime. Break the mold, let's speak together. No bad feelings last forever. Social media ain't real life. We all feel pain, we all have strife. Nobody's perfect, know that now. Everyone hurts on the hill somehow. You can do it, just don't stop. Grind your way back to the top. Don't fill up on drugs and drink. It's not the answer, what you think. Let's get positive, let's unwind. Clear your thoughts and heal your mind. Surround yourself with real good people. Enjoy life now, there is no sequel.
Get back. Hey, what are you having for starters? What is it?
Sausage.
Hot dog sausages. Sausages. Whee, get back. You want sausage? Hot. Too hot, too spicy, hot. Eat it. Get back, look at that.
Let me see you try to rule that you didn't have a thing. Cut the poppers, man, it's genius, cause I was
Noah, what are you doing? Noah, what you got there? Get him. Where get him. Get down, boy. Get down. Here we go, Davey. Dinner. Fucking dinner. Eat it. Get back. Get back. Here we go. Look at that. How's that? What you got? He just got that. Harvey, what you got? Look at that. For Woods fire. Pork chops, tatties, peas, carrots and onion gravy. Have one of them tatties, go on. Is it cooked? Oh yeah, Mark. What are you doing? Oh no, what are you doing to your leg, look? He's cut his legs. Oh, right. Dinner, home, bath, bed. Thanks for watching, goodbye!